From our home in Atlanta, we flew into the island of Providenciales in the Turks and Caicos, rented a van, and took the 20-minute drive to our Airbnb on one-of-a-kind Taylor Bay. Taylor Bay is so shallow and clear with a sandy bottom that the water is so barely blue, it's almost white.
This does not look like it sucks.
We spent a lot of time at nearby Brisas Restaurant, a cool open-air spot on Chalk's Town. Good food, drinks, and welcoming service. Reasonably priced on an island where the food is extremely expensive. We went to dinner across the island at Grace Bay, the most famous area in the Turks, and home to a number of high-end restaurants and resorts. There are only a handful of homes on Taylor Bay's uncrowded beach. Behind us is Chalk Sound, which you fly over as you land at the airport. You can see the shadows cast by the clouds on the water. Alright, we're going to do a little tour from the house, our Airbnb, down to the beach. That's me and my wife of 30 years, Linda, and our daughter and her friend. I took out the nice Canon camera and got some interesting shots. Wow, I guess you call that clear water. We left in the morning for a drone flight over the abandoned Conch Farm, whose round cages made for a perfect spot to fly the drone. You can see some of the damage from the 2017 hurricane on the left. I also visited the Hole, a limestone cave filled with water in the middle of the island. We got a good overview of the island of Providenciales from the air. That's the reflection of my Mavic Pro drone on the water. We ended the day at the Conch Shack, a local institution. Delicious fresh conch on the beach with your toes in the sand, a beautiful sunset, and great rum punch to boot. Here's another look at crystal clear Chalk Sound. Quite a sight. The next day, we visited Grace Bay for a day at the beach and some top-notch snorkeling near the protected reef. That's my son on the left. Protected reef allows marine life to flourish. Grace Bay was voted #1 beach in the world by TripAdvisor users. We hung out at Somewhere Cafe on the water for lunch and good drinks. People enjoying the water with sailing, snorkeling, and stand-up paddleboarding. Click on the BobShots circle on the left to subscribe, so you don't miss the next in our Turks and Caicos series, visiting the spectacular Mudgeon Harbor.